Get into the 2019 Mazda Mazda3. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a 3 that's poised to put the fun back into your daily drive. From its refined upscale cabin to its responsive acceleration to its captivating contours to its stable, well-balanced feel, this compact is all about pleasure and excitement. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, blind spot monitor, dual zone AC, electronic stability control. You don't have to sacrifice driving pleasure to get convenience and efficiency. Get it all in the 3. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.